perfect. Here, hold it right there. Hold it right there. Alright, quick fast. It's going to be a quick video, people. Quick video. I'm going to show you what I did with the Galaxy S4 Active. Just quick. Should be no longer than 3 minutes, alright? So here's the Active right here. It was my brother's actually. His screen's cracked and the battery stopped working and the charger port stopped working. So we just bought one off of Craigslist with a bad ESN for 80 bucks. It was Active. He had the blue one actually. It was pretty neater, like aqua blue. Show you quick fast. There's maybe 12. There should be 12 screws. Alright, and then here's the motherboard. It's already taken apart. It's just something real fast and easy to show you. So this is what I did. I mean, it was a so basically the iPhone that we just bought off of Craigslist had a bad ESN, I guess, reported lost and stolen. So what I did was took the motherboard out and swapped it out with the one that worked. Basically, you say it's cloning, but all it is a sticker, which is IME, whatever sticker is here. I mean, how's that cloning? I just took it out. If I were to get it customized, it'd be cloning too then. So basically, I took it out. Here's what you do. There's a couple ribbons here. Just want to make sure you don't break none of the ribbons, actually, because then your screen and stuff won't be working. So it goes boom, just like that. Then you go here. There's one ribbon here. Put that one ribbon on here. There's one ribbon here. Right here. There's a ribbon here. Well, that's just like a quick demonstration. Can be done. Pretty easy. Here you go. There. Here's the there. And here is the camera. There. Here is the actual where's the actual camera? And this was here like that. Very easy. There you go, like that. And I think I'm missing a camera, or is this it here? I think this is it here. There you go, boom. So it goes like that, basically. And then you would take the housing little shell, place it back on, put them 8 screws back on, here, put the battery back on, case, boom, and I would start it back up. Mind you, this is the broken one. I'm just showing you guys quick fast. I was just actually a little proud because I did it. And that's it, really. And that's how you would take it apart, put it back on. Bad ESN or not, it doesn't matter. As long as you have, well, if you have a good ESN, you can change the motherboard. If it's bad, then you don't really need it. So that's it. Galaxy S4 Active motherboard swap. Easy. Any questions, concerns, comment, subscribe, rate. It's going to be a whole bunch of other little phone repair videos. Thank you.